We're camping. We're gonna go camping. And we've come out to Mito, and it's very beautiful out here. Are you excited?
Yes.
Yes? Me too. Let's look. We're going somewhere out there. We're still like 15 minutes away.
あとちょっとだね。
Yes.
車だ。
It's it's raining pretty hard right now, actually. We were unpacking, and it started to rain.
やばいね。
We still have to go to the car and like get all of our stuff out, like our food and our books and our like,
車の中で。
everything. Everything's still in the car except the tent and the chairs and our sleeping bags. So
Not sunny.
not sunny at all. Yeah, the weather forecast lied to us.
We want to take 遊び道具ゲーム
Yes,
but we can't
we
because
can't.
very rainy.
Yeah, it's raining kind of hard right
Not
now.
umbrella. We don't have umbrella.
Yep,
now
no umbrella now.
in the car. Oh my god.
We are not smart. Okay, the rain has stopped a little bit, so I'm gonna run for the car, and I have to get our backpacks because that has all the fun stuff in it,
あとアンブレラね。
and the umbrella, right? ちょっと。
よし頑張れ。
Alright.
いけ。もう普通に降っちゃってるね。いやでも雨の音はすごい気持ちいいです。レイニーサウンド。近くに川があるんで、その川の音もすごく綺麗で気持ちいい。ああ。
Okay. Alright. You keep there.
おかえり。
I'm back.
Yo.
So now we're gonna play a little card game to pass the time. This is called Virus. Apt. And yeah, we're just gonna chill here until the rain lets up a little bit, and then we can actually like make dinner and stuff. I'll open my cards.
You did make it. あ、見たでしょ今絶対見た。おい。Hey, look at this. Finish.
No.
Why? やったぜ。
Explain. Explain.
Explain?
Yes.
Okay. I'm winner. So I can 何 order to order. I want to 持ってきてほしいもの。I want to take
あ
何 have
Get.
I want to get tool or food everything. So I I want to
I lost, so I have to go get stuff.
yes.
Okay.
遊ぼう。遊ぼう。
しょうがないな。
はい。
Now we're going to go fishing. What happened?
やっちゃったよね。どうしよう。
She fell in the water because she was trying to cross over that way. Yep. No fish.
No,
No fish.
we didn't fishing.
We didn't catch any fish.
We didn't catching fishing. No, didn't fishing.
Yes, we did. We fished.
いや、no.
You fished.
釣りしてない。いや、多分いるんだけど、私たちのが下手すぎて全然釣れなかった。
We're gonna make dinner now.
ご飯作る。これでこうできるよ。
Okay, so now I can talk. So we went into the building, and Reimi was heating up the rice, and I talked to the guy, and I was like, I want to buy some firewood, and without thinking, I just bought it, and it was just this giant pile of firewood. Like our little takibidai is like really small.
Yes, very small.
So he had to go out to the shed and get this thing where he could chop up the firewood for us. I have to that about.
めっちゃカインドです。やばい。いや、ノコギリのノコを貸していただきました。Lent us. Yes. So very big tree. So we can't use our takibidai. So we very 困るって何? Worried. Trouble, yes. So he said, oh, small, I can small みたいな。
We can make them smaller.
Yes. で、今さっきこれも貸してくれた。
Like he
マジ優しい。
walked over from the other side of the river to give us a saw.
めっちゃ優しい。
So we were like cooking stuff and making s'mores and all that, but it started raining like all of a sudden, so we had to throw everything inside the tent, and we had to like scramble to get in here before we got all wet, and now we're just kind of thinking of what to do next. Yeah. It's morning. We didn't really sleep because the rain was really loud. And we don't really have a tarp over our tent, so like everything was just really damp and unpleasant. We came over to the like fire pit area. We got a little fire going, and we're gonna have breakfast and take it easy. Hope for the rain to let up a little bit, and then go to the onsen. Yeah. What are you going to eat for breakfast?
Cup noodle. これが食べたかった昨日。 うわかわいいワンちゃんプリプリプリプリプリプリもうプリプリよお尻プリプリプリプリプリプリプリ
Okay, so she's gonna watch the fire, and I'm gonna go clean up the tent. And I would film it, but I'm afraid it's gonna start raining again, and I don't want to get the camera all wet and stuff. So this might be the end of the vlog. Yeah. Okay.
振り返りしよう
Okay.
家帰って振り返りの動画も撮れば
そうそれはもう Vlog に
入れよう
OK よし
ハイレベルなキャンプでした